everyone, this is Henny from Pink Elephant Media. Have you been working away on LinkedIn and getting absolutely no results whatsoever? Well, we are going to show you the exact process that you need to generate leads in 3 really easy steps. LinkedIn has over 760 million users, and 80% of all B2B leads on social media are generating through LinkedIn. But what really might surprise you is only 1% are using LinkedIn correctly, which means it is a massive gold mine of your perfect clients that are totally untapped, who are ready to do business. And think of all the potential deals that you could be missing out on by not adopting this strategy. But luckily, there's a really simple solution. And rather than paying an agency to do this for you, we are going to show you the exact way in which you can target your ideal client with the right message at the right time and generate a highly qualified lead generation system. We're going to talk to you about how to create a compelling profile, to setting up a lead generation system, how to craft messages that will convert. We've got cheat sheets, we've got downloads. You can simply do a cut and paste job. It's all done for you. All you need to do is follow these steps so that you can generate as many highly qualified leads as possible. And there are 3 phases that we need to do to address this. Phase 1 is your profile. This is the bedrock of your marketing efforts. It is absolutely central to getting this right. If you get it wrong, you're going to turn off potential prospects, but do it right, you will be the person that they pick to do business with. And we are going to show you how to create a profile that speaks to your target audience. Not only that, we're going to have a profile that speaks to LinkedIn so that you get notified about prospects looking for the types of services that you are looking for. So we're going to take you from this to this, to having a section that really speaks to your target audience. In phase 2, we are then going to show you how to create the lead generation system that we use here. We're going to talk to you about how you really target down that lead, to connecting, what introduction message should be sent, how to follow up without being sleazy or salesy, just to create that natural human connection, because sales is person to person. It isn't B2B or B2C. It is person to person. So we want to keep that personal touch. This is here to support you and who you are as a business, not to take over. So we're going to talk to you about how you keep that really personal touch, but really speed the process up so that you're only spending 30 minutes a day doing this. And then you can get on with your business. To getting them to being a warm lead, a really highly qualified warm lead, so that you can then close that deal. And the best thing about this is we're going to show you how to automate it between step 2 and step 5. So you're literally spending 30 minutes a day. And all of this will cost you is approximately £30 a week. That is it. There's no need for advertising. There's no need for any premium account on LinkedIn. All of this can be done for as little as £20 a week. Step 3, and one that is so often overlooked, but will totally supercharge and explode your marketing efforts, is how to use your website to really change how effective this is. So we're going to talk to you about techniques and tricks that you can use on your website to capture this data coming back, because data that's connections that stay on LinkedIn on our Just Conversations don't end up on the inbox or in your website, don't convert. So we're going to show you how to take that traffic into your site and absolutely convert it, and then how to use your website to really explode those marketing efforts by using email marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, and how to retarget those LinkedIn connections that you've already just made to stay front of mind and to get those people to convert into clients when they are ready. So please jump on the training. It will give you all of this in detail with all the tools that we use, and you could be seeing results within weeks.